Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today we are going to discuss the ERANK product keyword criteria, like what are the best keywords and on which criteria you should measure the keyword that it is good for your listing or not. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. So I have already searched the keyword X and I'm seeing the two keywords X, Viking X, Battle X, Throwing X and X Throwing and etc. So if you will search the keyword on ERANK, you will get some results. Now I have to find like which keywords I have to note down and I have to put them in my listing. So what is the criteria? Your minimum average searches, that is this section, must be minimum 1000 searches per month. So on this criteria, this keyword is very good because it has searches above than 1000. The second thing is the average clicks minimum for a month should be minimum 400. Okay. The third thing is the minimum CTR should be 40% for the keyword. So this is a good keyword. This is good keyword. This is not good keyword because it has a CTR of less than 27. It has clicks below than 400 and it has searches below than 1000. And the competition, the maximum competition should be 35,000. Make sure you don't go into the keyword that has the competition of more than 35,000. So it will be the best keyword if you have like searches above than 1000, clicks more than 400, CTR more than 40%, and the competition less than 35,000. You just simply, when you find those keywords that go on this, that match on this criteria, that fulfill this criteria, you just simply note it down in your notepad or in your file. I will type your X and Viking X. So make sure to include these keywords in your listings and then check the results. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.